Hey, what's up guys? Chris Chavez here with Phandroid.com. We're here at the Huawei booth taking a look at their upcoming Android game console. It's called the Tron. Pretty cool name for it, and you can see here it's a little can here about the size of an Ouya, and it comes in a couple different colors. You can see on the back it's got USB 3.0. It has an audio in, HDMI, and then a little power adapter there for it as well. A couple little vents on the bottom there, and it has micro SD, so you can actually expand the storage on it. 32 gigabytes up front, and it has 2 gigabytes of RAM, Tegra 4 processor. Since this isn't out yet, they have actually considered or talked about moving up to a Tegra 5 in the future, or in time for its release. You can see here here is the gamepad. It's got a cool little touchpad up there for mouse navigation, should you need it, navigating through the console's UI. A couple buttons, a couple shoulder buttons, micro USB to charge it. And overall, not a bad looking gamepad, and it feels pretty good actually too. Let's go ahead and zoom out here and you can see some of the UI of the console. And he was running Project K over here, which is pretty neat because it's a tank game that's also available for the PC. And he was able to play Project K and play the multiplayer on the PC online. So cross-platform connectivity, pretty darn awesome and pretty neat. So you can see here the UI is kind of neat. Reminds us a little bit of maybe like Project Shield or whatnot, but not as convoluted or complicated as the Ouya by far. And pretty decent specs to boot. Pricing is looking like sub $150 in the time for its release. So we're guessing around that Ouya $99 price tag, but much more powerful processor, much better controller, and just all around better specs. And you can see the output, it can output up to 4K. So this is actually outputting onto 1080p display, and it looks absolutely amazing. We had a demo where we were showing off a 4K video that was playing through it without any problems whatsoever. So it's just pretty darn cool, and maybe not exactly what we expected from Huawei, but neat nonetheless. So that is a quick look at the Huawei Tron, the upcoming Android game console, another one. With Phandroid.com, I'm Chris Chavez. We're going to keep playing a couple more games. We'll see you next time.